Hi all, today we can do the numericals based on modes of propagation in an optical fiber. Modes of propagation means the possible number of allowed paths of light in the optical fiber. That depends upon the factors like the refractive index of core and cladding, the diameter of the core and the wavelength of the light passing through it. As the refractive index of the core increases, the modes of propagation increases. Whereas as the refractive index of cladding increases, the modes of propagation decreases. Also, it depends upon the d by lambda ratio. That is the ratio of the diameter of the core to the wavelength of the light passing through it. So, based on all these factors, there is a physical parameter known as V number. Each mode has a definite value of V number. Below that value, that mode is cut off. That V number is defined as pi d by lambda 0 into numerical aperture, where d is the diameter of the core, lambda 0 is the wavelength of light in free space. As the expression of numerical aperture is root of n1 square minus n2 square, V number is equal to pi d by lambda 0 into root of n1 square minus n2 square. If the fractional refractive index is given, numerical aperture also we can write as n1 into root of 2 delta. This V number is also known as normalized frequency or cutoff frequency. If we know the V number, we can find out the number of maximum modes of propagation possible for an optical fiber. For a step index fiber, the number of modes possible is equal to V square by 2. And for a graded index fiber, the number of modes possible is V square by 4. And again, if this V is less than 2.405, that fiber is corresponding to single mode. And if V is greater than 2.40 fiber, that is a multi-mode fiber. So we can do the numericals based on this. See the first question. Calculate the V number of an optical fiber having numerical aperture 0.25 and core diameter 20 micrometer if it is operated at a 1.55 micrometer. So we want to find out the V number of an optical fiber with the numerical aperture 0.25 and core diameter, that is D, is equal to 20 micrometer if it is operated at a 1.55 micrometer, that is wavelength is 1.55 micrometer. Here we can directly use the expression for the V number, that is V is equal to pi d by lambda 0 into numerical aperture. Pi into d is 20 micrometer, that is 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 into numerical aperture is 0.25 divided by lambda 0, that is the wavelength of light is 1.55 micrometer, that is into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. So on calculating, we will get it as 10.125. So the V number corresponding to this question is 10.125. See the next question. A step index fiber is made with a core of refractive index 1.52, a diameter of 29 micrometer and fractional difference index of 0.0007. It is operated at a wavelength of 1.3 micrometer. Find the V number and the number of modes that the fiber will support. A step index fiber with core refractive index, that is N1 is equal to 1.52, a diameter of 29 micrometer, so D is equal to 29 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter, and a fractional difference index of 0.0007, that is delta is equal to 0.007. Then it is operated at a wavelength of 1.3 micrometer, that is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Find the V number and the number of modes the fiber will support. So we can find out the V number using the expression pi d by lambda 0 into numerical aperture. Here to find out the numerical aperture, the fractional index change is given. So we can write this V number as pi d by lambda 0 into numerical aperture is n1 into root of 2 delta. That is pi into d is 29 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by lambda 0 is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 6 into n1 is 1.52 root of 2 into delta is 0.0007. On calculating it, we will get the V number as 3.99. Next, we want to find out the number of modes that fiber can support. So the number of modes can be found out from the V number. For a step index fiber, the number of modes possible is V square by 2. That is, the number of modes is equal to V is 3.99 square divided by 2, that is equal to 8. So for the given optical fiber, 8 modes of propagation are possible. Next question, the core diameter of a multimode step index fiber is 50 micrometer. The numerical aperture is 0.25. Calculate normalized frequency of fiber, and second, the number of guided modes at an operating wavelength of 0.75 micrometer. The core diameter of a multimode step index fiber is 50 micrometer. So D equal to 50 micrometer. The numerical aperture is equal to 0.25. Calculate the normalized frequency. What is the meaning of normalized frequency? That is same as V number. V number is also known as normalized frequency or cutoff frequency. Second, the number of guided modes at an operating wavelength of 0.75 micrometer. That is, wavelength lambda is equal to 0.75 micrometer. We want to find out the number of modes possible for this multi-mode step index fiber. So, it is a step index fiber. Here we can find out the V number using the general expression V is equal to pi d by lambda 0 into numerical aperture. That is pi into d is diameter 50 micrometer divided by lambda 0 is 0.75 micrometer into numerical aperture, that is 0.25. On calculating we will get it as 52.36. So this is a V number. Next we want to find out the number of modes of propagation possible for this step index fiber. So for step index fiber, the number of modes is V square by 2. That is 52.36 square divided by 2. That is equal to 1370. So the number of guided modes is 1370. Next question. Consider a multimode step index fiber with mu1 equal to 1.53 and mu2 equal to 1.50 and lambda equal to 1 micrometer. If the core radius is 50 micrometer, calculate the normalized frequency of fiber and the number of guided modes. Consider a multi-mode step index fiber, that is SI fiber, with mu1 is equal to, that is refractive index of the core is 1.53 and mu2, that is refractive index of cladding is 1.50 and wavelength of light used is 1 micrometer. If the core radius, that is D equal to 50 micrometer, calculate the normalized frequency. Normalized frequency means V number and the number of guided modes. So we can find out the normalized frequency from the V number expression, that is pi d by lambda 0 into numerical aperture. Here to find out the numerical aperture, refractive index of core and cladding is given, that is pi d by lambda 0 into root of n1 square minus n2 square. That is V is equal to pi into D is 50 micrometer divided by lambda 0 is 1 micrometer into root of n1 square, that is 1.53 square minus 1.5 square. On calculating we will get it as 94.7. So this is the V number. Now we can find out the number of modes of propagation possible for this step index fiber. What is the formula for step index fiber? That is V square by 2, that is 94.7 square divided by 2, that is equal to 4484. So 4484 modes are possible for this multi-mode step index fiber. Next question. A graded index fiber has core diameter of 0.05 millimeter and numerical aperture of 0.22 at a wavelength of 8500 angstrom. What is the normalized frequency and number of guided modes in core? A graded index fiber, that is the fiber is graded index, The core diameter of 0.05 millimeter, that is D equal to 0.05 mm, and a numerical aperture of 0.22 at a wavelength of 8500 angstrom. What is the normalized frequency, that is V number, and the number of guided modes in the core? So the normalized frequency we can find out from the general expression for V number. The normalized frequency means V number, that is equal to pi d by lambda 0 into numerical aperture, that is pi into d is 0.05 millimeter, that is into 10 raised to minus 3, into numerical aperture is 0.22 divided by lambda 0 is 8500 angstrom, that is into 10 raised to minus 10. On calculating, we will get the V number as 40.6. Next, we want to find out the number of modes that can support by this fiber. The given fiber is graded index fiber. For graded index fiber, the number of modes possible is V square by 4. That is, number of modes is equal to V square, 40.6 square divided by 4. On calculating, we will get it as 412. So, the 412 modes are possible for the given graded index fiber. One last question. Compute the maximum radius allowed for a fiber having core refractive index 1.47 and cladding refractive index 1.46. The fiber is to support only one mode at a wavelength of 1300 nanometer. Compute the maximum radius allowed for a fiber having core refractive index, that is N1 equal to 1.47 and cladding refractive index, that is N2 equal to 1.46. The fiber is to support only one mode, that is number of mode possible is only one, at a wavelength of 1300 nanometer. Here we can find out the maximum radius from the V number expression. That is, V number is equal to pi d by lambda 0 into root of n1 square minus n2 square. Here we want to find out the maximum radius. So we can write this diameter in terms of radius, that is pi by lambda 0 into diameter is 2 times radius into root of n1 square minus n2 square. Here the radius required is maximum. That means the V number is also maximum. So from this expression, R maximum is equal to V maximum into lambda 0 divided by 2 pi into root of n1 square minus n2 square. Now this lambda value is given, n1 and n2 value are also given. But we don't know the value of the maximum value of V number. But it is given that this fiber can support only one mode. So only one mode means the fiber is a single mode fiber. For a single mode fiber, maximum value of V number possible is 2.405. So we can substitute that maximum value possible for a single mode fiber in this expression. That is, V maximum is equal to 2.405 into lambda 0 is 1300 nanometer divided by 2 pi into root of n1 square, that is 1.47 square minus n2 square is 1.46 square. Calculating it, we will get 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter, that is 2.9 micrometer is the maximum radius of this given optical fiber. Here we have used the concept. For a single mode fiber, the maximum value of V number possible is 2.405. If the V number is greater than 2.405, that fiber corresponding to a multi-mode fiber. Okay, so you try more questions. All the best.